Good afternoon. Today, daily based topic of hybrid vehicles. Right now, the many of industries, automotive industries, convert their vehicles and manufacturing hybrid due to the avoid the pollutions. Next, fuel economy. Many of people's like and expect the mileage.
Sir, hybrid vehicles run both on electric and petrol. Sir.
Yes.
So that way, people most prefers hybrid vehicle. That's all my point.
Can you tell the any one examples of hybrid vehicles?
Sir, we take Hyundai car.
Yes, Hyundai on hybrid vehicles manufacturing.
Sir. Yes. Oh, well, coming to hybrid vehicles and electric vehicles, in the part of electric vehicles, we have seen many heavy truck vehicles are running mostly in petrol. So the latest new researches are coming in. Volvo company is getting battery energy sourced heavy trucks. So in future we can see trucks are running in electric energy. So that's the major turning point in the hybrid vehicles. And then as we know the part, as Inian said, the hybrid vehicles run both in petrol and also in electric. While coming how it works, as we charges and the charge when comes to a low point, due to the petrol engine, it automatically shifts to the petrol and it automatically works the engine. And if we again put at the charge and the battery is full, it will again switch to electrical energy by running the motors to rotate the wheels. So this is how both categories are working. There are many types are involved in hybrid vehicles and electric vehicles, and the batteries we are using, as Sir said, that is not used in pollution control. So while seeing that controlling pollutions, we can say about some traditional vehicles are mass polluting, and electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles are comparatively low. So further will be discussed by Sir.
Is need any external source for charging the battery in hybrid vehicle?
Sir, hybrid vehicle external charge is also there, and also regenerative braking is also in the system. So due to the rotation of the wheel, and then the regenerative braking works in the principle when we apply the brake, the waste rotation is converted into electrical energy. So that in that technique also we can save the energy into the batteries.
As Pritchard said, this is the complete process how a hybrid vehicle works. Let's just recall how a petrol engine and diesel engine works. It is classified by the Otto cycle and diesel cycle. By this Otto cycle, the petrol engine works by the 4 strokes and the diesel engine as per. Then by this classification as well, he said the electric engines is classified by some kind of movements, and the hybrid is classified by this regenerative braking. Like here the Otto cycle, it is classified as the cycle. Here it is classified as the regenerative braking. By this, when we apply a sudden brake, it doesn't stop the motor. It spins in the backwards and it transfers the energy to the battery. First it goes to battery to motor, and now the motor acts as a generator and the electric current is went to the battery itself. This is called as regenerative braking process. By this, the hybrid vehicles are working.
As Prajwal say, trucks are running through the hybrid as petrol and in electricity. Due to overload, we cannot it consume more energy, so that it automatically change to the petrol. But it contains overload, so that we cannot consume more energy.
As we see in the hybrid vehicles, and everyone are talking about hybrid and electric. Specifically in hybrid,